Hello teacher, my name is Nicolas. Today I'm going to describe my best friend. His name is Andres. Andres is a very special person. He is medium height and looks very healthy because he is always active. He has dark hair and he always keep neatly stare. Eyes are brown and they shine brightly when he is excited for focus. He has a wonderful smile that makes everyone feel comfortable around him. Andres is also incredibly kind. He always helps others selfish and listens carefully. He really cares about people and gives great advice. Truthfully, he is very funny and always knows how to make us laugh easily with jokes that come naturally. When it comes to activities, Andre is extremely dedicated, loves swimming, and practices regularly with a lot of emergency and discipline. He also plays soccer with a lot of passion and runs quickly on other field. He works out every day and he's very consistent, always pushing himself to stay in great shape. Something he likes to read, and when he does, he reads attentively and enjoys every page deeply. He teacher very much.